How to make balloon beads for your marquee numbers, number stacks, balloon towers. Take a 260, stretch it a little bit. With the hand pump, inflate it with about 4 single pumps. Release a bit of air. Make it a little bit softer to work with. And about 2 fingers width for each bubble. Twist about 8 times. Keep hold of the first bubble, don't let that go because the rest of it will unravel. Always twist in the same direction. Push a little bit of air forward, just to give you a little bit of give in it. This is the right size. Twist that end bit round before you cut it off because it could deflate otherwise. And just off. So a couple of knots just to make sure. Just try the ends. That's it. Okay. Just gives a little bit of detail to your number sculptures.